Hey everyone, welcome to Homes for Beginners, where I show you how to do repairs around the house yourself. In this video here, I'll be showing you how to replace the end fitting on a hose. This method can also be applied to repairing a hose with a hole in the center. You can then make two hoses out of one instead. For this, I have already purchased a new replacement connection. The hose barb size is determined by the inside diameter of the hose. First is using a hose cutter to cut off the old crimp connection. A sharp razor knife can also be used for this. I do find a hose cutter does leave a very clean square cut. A gear clamp will supply with the new hose fitting. However, I'm not typically a fan of a gear clamp, as they do leave a spot for things to catch up on and can be sharp at times. Instead, I'll be using a single or double-eared clamp. These cannot be removed, and they do provide a tight, reliable connection. Pick the appropriate size which fits on the outside diameter of the hose. If you can find a stainless steel option, I would recommend that. Insert the clamp over top of the hose first. Push the new fitting into the hose, make sure it's fully seated. This should have a tight fit. Using the crimping pliers for the clamp, crimp the 1 or 2 ears depending on how many are equipped on the clamp. As you can see, once done, here's the fixed connection. If you do find there is a leak, you may need to go back and tighten the crimped ears slightly more. Other than that, you are officially done. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more home DIY videos. Thank you for watching.